Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm here with a proud sponsor, Luigi's Italian Ice. No, Luigi's Real Italian Ice, proud sponsor of the channel. Just kidding. It's just really good though. I remember having this stuff when I was a little kid. Back in the 90s, they used to have these in these little kind of Go-Gurt-like tubes. Anyway, this video is about the Spyderco Byrd Raven. Raven 2. I'm gonna try my best not to swear in this video because I just want to see if not swearing gets me more views as opposed to just letting my mouth run wild. Because apparently you get demonetized or something, and people are like, I want to keep this family, friendly so I get more views or something. Anyway, this is supposedly the Spyderco Byrd Raven 2. And we'll see. Bought this on Amazon. Price went down like over $10. Like $15 in the matter of I don't know, 2 weeks. So I was like, oh, I'm getting one. Alright, well, here we are with the Raven 2. Part of the reason I got this was because people were just raving about it. Haha, get it, Raven? They were raving about this for quite a bit, on the YouTube. And yeah, so this is supposedly a really good knife. And they kept saying, don't buy a Polestar or a what's the other one? Tenacious, and get yourself a Raven 2. And I really don't see what the big deal is. Maybe I got a fake, who knows? G10 feels pretty nice. But the opening and closing action is atrocious. You see this right out of the box? This is supposed to be CTS BD1 steel. And if you look really closely, if you're that anal about it, that's not a swear word. Analytical is a base, the root of that word. That's CTS BD1. It says right there. This is made in China. It says on the box. I'm not sure if this is a fake or not. But on the back of this, it also says it's 8CR13 MOV steel. And, well, maybe that's not true. Because this does say CTS BD1. Alright. Well, definitely does not have the opening action the PM2 does. I don't know why people have all these 5-star ratings for this. The jimping on the back is absolutely poor. It's not the same as this is at all. Or like my Manix 2XL either. The jimping on the back of here is amazing. Jumping on the back of this, I don't know, I guess it works. But perhaps it's the oil, perhaps, I don't know. They did that to keep it from rusting or something, but yeah. Anyway, so this is tip down carry. Tip up carry. It's got, liner lock kind of mechanism going on. And yeah, it's okay. It's I don't know. I think it's real. It's got the initials on it. Who knows if it's fake? I'm going to see if I can put a little bit of oil on here to get the opening to be actually decent. And we'll see what happens. Well, I tried my best without using, like, you know, special screwdriver that I have to go to a store that's closed right now to get, to loosen this pivot pin. I think that's what it's called. Put oil on it, and now if you flick it just right, it'll open kind of smooth. The thing about this I don't like, though, is that the action closing, you know, it's really gonna rub against your thumb, and you really have to press hard into there for it to close. If you just do this, you know, it's like, it's just difficult, you know. Maybe they made it so this is more of this kind of a slower opening knife. I'm not sure if that was what their goal was. Maybe they wanted to be more sturdy. Maybe it's the fact that it has nylon washers instead of like steel or copper or bronze. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but yeah, you see that white thing in there? Yeah. So, I don't know, maybe I got a faulty model. As you can see, I just tried a Spidey flick. It didn't really... There we go. Do you see this? So, mine definitely was a little bit of a lump of coal. Happy I didn't get my friend this. Happy I got them a Ontario Rat 1. Now that one opens nicely and closes pretty nicely. Let's just compare the opening, okay? This is almost like a flipper. Okay, this is the Paramilitary 2. This is also about like $136. But this one, it's just $35, so I guess you pay for what you get. Or maybe, you know, it is, you know, it should be better, and I just didn't get a good one. Mine came kind of new in a plastic wrap box, though. All these people who are reviewing this knife, apparently they're getting really good ones, and I am low-key a little bit jelly. I mean, I wish I got a really good one the first time I got one. So unfortunately, I do have to give a bad review of this. It's like, seriously, man? You know, maybe, you know, the people in the Chinese factories were like, 哎呦，你们干嘛？干活那么慢，把你弄紧一点。You know, they're just like, you know, trying to make it really like tight and stuff. You know, just like giving each other just, you know, lip, and you know, somebody just tightened this a little bit too tight, and now mine just isn't that good. So maybe I just have to go to the store and get like special screwdrivers to loosen this up, and you know, it'll be fine. What I do like about this, though, you know, everybody all talks about ergonomics and stuff, and oh my gosh, ergonomics, I love the ergonomics. Yeah, the ergonomics are great, okay? The jimping isn't as good as, you know, PM2 or Spyderco's. You guys might be able to see. Like the Spyderco PM2, the jimping's a lot sharper. I don't know if you can see from here, but yeah. The blade is a lot thicker than the PM2, even though the blade is shorter, and it's, you know, 3.33 inches of metal, but about 2.95 or 2.75, I don't know exactly, you know, cutting edge. So you could say the blade is actually like under 3 inches long. What else I like about it? Pocket clip. It's decent, you know. You put in your pocket. You know, it's like, it's tip up carry, so you don't have to worry about it, like, you know, cutting your hand up when you reach in, or, you know, like, what do you call it, you know, going against your phone and banging around. So, yeah. Got a little Captain Morgan in you. Anyway, but yeah, so this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Spyderco Byrd Raven 2. If you are a fan of Edgar Allan Poe, this is the knife for you. If you like ravens like I do, oh yeah. Ravens, actually, they're really cool. They're basically gigantic crows. They're also super smart, but Yeah, I just think they're really majestic, even though they, you know, they do what they do. Yeah. I may do a formal review of this, and a paramilitary too, on a later date. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys have a good New Year's. And happy 2019. Stay tuned for actual sword and axe review videos. I'm going to try to one day do that, you know, thing I keep trying to do, which I never get to, which is, you know, cut pumpkins with my Decapitan saber from Zombie Tools. But, you know, one day I'll ask one of my friends to film me or something, and that will happen. But for now, things are going to get a little bit busy, and I'm probably not going to have time to do that. So, anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and happy Hanukkah. I'm just kidding. I don't even know if it's still Hanukkah. No, I have no idea. But have a great day. Happy New Year, and like and subscribe if you like my channel, like this video. Check out my other videos. They might be more entertaining than this one, because this one turned out to be a little bit of a downer, because see, I'm just drinking water out of stress. Wish I got a good one, you know, a good Byrd Raven too, but mine didn't come out that well. So hope yours does if you choose to buy one, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Have a good day.